Hey everyone, welcome to Age and Education channel. Today we shall look into chapter animals. So I can see the excitement when I have just said animals, right? So there are many types of animals. We will look into that, okay? There are domestic animals, there are wild animals. So what is the meaning of domestic? Domestic means related to home, right? What is it? Related to home. And there are also wild animals. Wild animals will be in forests, right? Okay, so why have I said related to home? What is the meaning of related to home? You can think that some animals like farm animals, okay, these type of animals will help us, like they will give us so many items, okay, like milk, okay, leather. They are very helpful for us. Okay, those are called as farm animals. But you know other animals, what are the other type of animals? Pet animals. We like the pet animals so much, right? Whenever we feel irritated or something, we can happily play with the pet, leaving apart everything, right? So there are farm animals and there are pet animals. These animals together are called as domestic animals. Okay, and apart from that, the other type of animals are wild animals. So you can't even imagine of getting it to home and putting actually even near the home. Okay, so let us see domestic animals. What are domestic animals? I have already mentioned to you, right? Domestic animals are animals that live with us on farms or in our homes. Okay, they help us in many ways. So I told you, right, domestic means related to home. So they will be near our farms, in our farms or in our homes. Okay, animals on farms. What are the animals that you can see on farms? Cows, goats, buffaloes. What they give us? Yes, milk. Milk from these animals helps make yummy cheese and yogurt. You all like cheese so much, right? You will be eating cheese so a lot and yogurt too. Okay, so where do you get all these from cows, goats and buffaloes. And the other category of animals are ducks and hens. So what do they give us? They give us eggs. Eggs are used in baking cookies and cakes. Okay, what are the other useful animals? Bees, honeybees, right? So they give us honey. Honey is sweet and can be used to sweeten tea or toast. Okay, you all know honey, right? Yeah, it will be very sweet and it's a good substitute to sugar. Okay, next, silkworms. Oh, you are just learning about silkworms, right? You haven't ever heard about it. I know that. So what do they give? They give us silk. And what about the silk? Silk is used to make soft and shiny clothes. Okay, so there'll be like silk saris and silk clothes. Okay, all those are made from the silkworms. So silkworms give us silk. In that way, silkworms are helpful. And then next is about sheep. What does the sheep give to us? It will give us wool. And wool, where do you use wool? Wool is used to make sweaters and blankets. You wear the sweaters and blankets, right? In winters, when you're feeling so cold, you wear it and then you'll feel warm, right? So for that, wool is used, and that wool is obtained from what? Sheep, right? And also, sheep, goats, buffaloes, and camels provide us leather. Leather is used to make shoes, bags, and jackets. Okay, so this is about, yes, yeah, animals. What animals? Okay, farm animals, right? So next, what will we see? Yes, think. I have mentioned domestic animals means what? Domestic animals, first category which we have already looked into, farm animals. And next category will be, yes, pet animals. I know it's your favorite topic, right? I need not mention so much on that, but we'll just see through it, okay? Okay, as you kids all know about pet animals, I haven't mentioned here anything about it, but you know, right? What are pet animals? Animals that stay along with you in your home, right? So, like dogs, cats, they are like favorite pastime of yours, right? You can happily play with it, you will run with it, you will enjoy with it. Okay, there's nothing much to say about pet animals. So we will continue about wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in forests and other natural places. Here's a look at different kinds of wild animals and where they live. Okay, first of all, what are the examples of wild animals? Tiger, lion, bear, owl, deer, elephant, rhinoceros. See, you feel like, oh, what is this? Deer is also a wild animal? Yes, of course, deer is a wild animal. Even though it's not so ferocious, like dangerous like tiger or lion, it is a wild animal. It will be in the forest. You can't find it, you can't see it in any farm or homes. Okay, so it's a wild animal. So, where do they live? Some animals live on land, some in water, and some on both land and water. Okay, so what are the animals that live on land? Tigers, lions, bears, deers, and elephants will live on land. And in water, just think, yes, crocodiles, hippos, frogs, okay, they all live in water. And some animals, as I have mentioned, can live both on land and in water. Okay, so what are the examples of it? Frogs and some turtles. Okay, so these type of animals can live both on land and in water. Okay, see, there are so many types of animals, and one animal can live in one place and one animal cannot live in other place. Okay, you should appreciate these differences. Okay, next, homes of wild animals. Okay, so you know, we call our homes as homes, right? So in the same manner, the wild animals homes will be different, right? That will be, they will be named different. So bears often live in what? Caves. And snakes live in holes. Rabbits dig burrows to live. And monkeys live on the branches of trees. Gorillas live in open areas of the forest. Now, assignment for you. Okay, I want you to write in the comments, okay, the homes of different animals. This is just a small list that I have given you. I want a big list. Okay, you make the list and send me. Okay, then you will get appreciation from me. Okay, I'll feel happy if you can do this. Homes of animals. Okay, take a list of some animals and find the homes of those animals, and it will be very useful for you. Okay, do that. What they eat? So some animals will eat plants, and those animals are called as herbivores, and some will eat flesh, and those are called as carnivores. And some animals will eat the flesh of dead animals, and those are called as scavengers. And some other animals can eat both plants and animals. Those are called as omnivores. These words like herbivores, carnivores, scavengers, omnivores, you have to remember this. Okay? So, what is that? Plant eating animals are called as herbivores. These animals eat only plants. And what are the examples? Deer, rhinoceros, and zebra. And how about the flesh eating animals? What are they called? They are called carnivores. And these animals eat only other animals like tigers and lions. Okay? Tigers and lions, have you ever seen tigers and lions eating plants? No, no? So those are called carnivores, and they eat other animals like deers. Okay, they'll jump upon the deers, they'll pounce on the deers and eat them. Okay, how about the scavengers? These animals eat the flesh of the dead animals. So they don't go and hunt like tigers and lions. They pick up the dead animals and they eat it. Okay, so what are the examples of it? Vultures and hyenas. And omnivores. What are omnivores? As I have mentioned, they can have both plants and animals. Okay, some bears and even humans come under this category of omnivores. Okay, and just fun facts, you all know all this. Okay, tigers and lions, these are big cats. These big cats are strong hunters and mostly eat meat. Okay, as I have mentioned, these are carnivores. What are these? Carnivores. You have to remember all these. Okay, herbivores, carnivores, scavengers, omnivores. It's fun to learn. Okay, learn it. Next, elephants. How about elephants? They use their trunks to eat leaves, fruits and bark. You know that, right? If at all I'm not so good at drawing like you all, okay? You all are like you're so good in drawing, but I can't draw. Okay, so what is this? Imagine this to be an elephant. Okay, as I have mentioned, I'm very bad at drawing. Okay, so however, imagine this to be elephant. Okay, what is this? Trunk. With this trunk, it will be eating what? All the leaves, fruits and bark of the tree. Okay, and other thing is that you should not forget about this one. Okay, the difference between carnivores and scavengers. These both are different. Okay, carnivores are those that will eat the animals, and these will eat the dead animals. Okay, so don't forget this difference. I know it is not so important, but I'm just saying. Okay, it's okay to learn more, right? So elephants, what do? They use their trunks to eat leaves, fruits and bark. So this is the elephant. Okay, don't laugh, okay, at my drawing skills. It looks funny, but this is an elephant, and with this trunk it will eat all the leaves and fruits. Next is owl. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around to look for prey. You see, this has amused me a lot. I didn't know this till now, that owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Okay, when I was gathering all the material for you, I found this and I felt it to be interesting. Okay, so I have mentioned it. Now you also enjoyed it, right? Okay. Okay, we are done with the chapter animals. So how about the assignment that I gave to you? Do you remember? Yes, you have to find the animal homes. Okay, and mention it in the comments. Okay, will you do that? Yes, 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 I can hear it. You all are good kids and you will surely do that. Okay, shall I say bye now? Okay, bye, see you.